HUMA Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. Humacyte is 33% up. Where the heck are we heading next? First of all, I've made well over 39,000 videos. I spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and I have all that documented on my YouTube channel. Generally speaking, with HUMA, it's one heck of a bearish market. And it really is. Like, I'm not trying to be the guy that's going to come out here and just trying to be nice. I'm trying to be kind and not nice. In this instance, I mean, from my personal experience, obviously some people that are watching these videos have more. I have all the proof, like all the effort has been documented. But generally speaking with HUMA, unless I see a full candle close above, man, like I'm talking $3, this is not something that I'm willing to buy. Short term, yeah, sure, right? Even like long term, do whatever you want. But for me, in this instance, it's one heck of a bearish market. And only if there's like some sort of shift, am I going to look to take things down? Other than that, it's all noise. So stay tuned. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter. Goodbye.